for some more natural alternatives to white sugar, here is what my favorite sugars are. I got rid of cane sugar from my diet. I rarely use it anymore. It is a good alternative to white sugar because it's not bleached. So if you want to try something more natural, you could try this. Then once you get away from this, if you want to go even more natural, I suggest going into brown coconut sugar or just coconut sugar in general. It's low glycemic and it will help prevent your blood sugar from going like this after you eat something sweet. Here are some other alternatives. There is agave nectar, which is really good. It's also vegan. There's honey, which is not vegan, but it tastes great in tea. There is maple syrup, which I use in a lot of my baked goods. There are dates, some dates. I like to use pitted dates. I'm gonna try that in a recipe here tonight. And I've got my coconut sugar ready to go. There are plenty of other alternatives out there like monk fruit, which I don't prefer, but you might want to try it as well. So try to get away from that white sugar all the time, especially in your coffee in the morning, and your heart and body will thank you.